Hi, this is my 5th time trying to record this video because the audio is just dog shit. If you're looking for a tutorial to help you add glasses and hats and so on and so forth, you know, accessories to your model, then you've come to the right place. This is a tutorial for you. I've said this intro 15,000 times now. Yes, that's it. That's the final take. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm gonna go straight into it. This was requested by one of you guys on my Discord. So I'm doing this video now really quickly so I can upload something, and also there might be more people who want help, so I figured why not. The support on my previous tutorial video was crazy. Like, we've almost hit 2,000 views. Like, we did it, guys. We did it. No, and a lot of people actually commented, a lot of people gave their critique and, you know, told me good luck in the future, which was really, really nice. Bro, we got a lot of comments. It's like, what? Look at this. It just keeps going forever. Anyway, we're just gonna jump straight into this tutorial and we're gonna start off in Vroid Studio. So we're going to export the model, and here, this is the important step that you cannot skip, and that it is to write an author. Remember, this is important. If you don't do this, you're gonna run into some problems later on. So I just wanted to inform you that this is the right way to do it.
Yes.
So now let's move on to Unity. So because I already filmed this video like 5,000 times, it's really annoying having to create a new Unity project every time and just overload my computer. It's not fun. So I'm just gonna go through each and every step from the beginning, but I'm not going to load, like, everything is already loaded in. So when you load up Unity, it's gonna be empty. There might be 1 or 2 folders here,
I don't know.
So you go and you import a custom package and you import your VRM, and you click open and you import it, blah blah, then you press import. There's gonna pop up a folder and you're gonna import. After you've imported the VRM, as you can see, there is a new folder up here. And you're going to UniVRM and you're going to import your model like normal, nothing weird there, you just import it.
Great.
Next up, you're going to get your hat or your glasses, so you just import it like normally. You import the package and then go to the file location in which you've put that specific item. Mine is put in a completely different folder. Now to get, let's say you want glasses like me, Vroid glasses, you just search Vroid glasses, see this little down here, you slide it down to 0 and see what you can get for free. It's very simple. So I would actually recommend translating whatever it is you're searching for to Japanese to get better results or more results. It usually varies a lot, so I would recommend searching both in English and then in Japanese to compare. The glasses I'm wearing today, I got them from Booth and they work perfectly fine, and they're the ones that I'm going to show you how to add. So after you've imported the VRM, the model, and the glasses or the item that you're going to apply to your character, you're going to drag your model onto here. Next up, you go to your glasses folder and you take your glasses and you drag them onto here. And here you're going to have to scale it according to your model. For me, I'm going to have to flip them 90 degrees and pull them to where I want them, scale them accordingly, you know, whatever you want to do. With these specific glasses that I have, I like to tilt them so that they are actually straight and aligned with the face of my model. After you've scaled it to your liking, you probably want some color added on there. Now, one way to do it is that you right click over here and you go to create material, and you can name it, I'm just going to name it that. And you go up to this tab and you go to VRM 𝕄𝕪𝕋𝕚, because that is the shader that is used for the rest of the model, and you just drag it onto there. And there are different ways you can do this. You can drag it onto the glasses like so, and then you click here. Let's just make them like an outrageous color. Let's make them red. Why not? That's it. No shading, no nothing. All right, they're just red. So if you're done with the color and you're satisfied and you're like, oh yeah, this looks pretty good, you go to this little arrow right here and you go to root, hips, spine, chest, upper chest, neck, and then you put it onto the head. Now, this is going to differ a lot depending on what accessories you're going to put on your model. For example, if you're going to put on rings, then obviously you go to upper chest, you go to whichever arm it is that you want. If you want to put it on your left hand, then you go to your left shoulder, left upper arm, lower arm, hand, and then you have all the individual fingers. So after that, when you're done with putting it on the correct body part, you go up to the same tab, the VRM tab, and you go to Unit VRM and you click Export Humanoid. This is the part I was talking about earlier. You need to write an author. To export, you're gonna need a title, a version, as well as an author. Now, this is the part I was talking about earlier. You're gonna need that author, or else you're not gonna be able to export it. Now, you export it like normally. I'm just gonna name it Red Glasses. So that's in caps.
Oh, well, whatever.
And you save it, and you're done. Bam! For more tutorials like this one, I have a playlist right here for you. And for those of you who are looking for more lighthearted content, more memes, I have a playlist here that you can watch with all of my stream highlight videos, because I do stream on Twitch sometimes, and a lot of funny moments come out of that. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you in any way, shape, or form, and good luck. I just want to take this moment to thank everybody who watched, liked, and commented on my previous tutorial video. I honestly didn't expect it to get as much traction as it did, so thank you so much. I also want to thank those of you who stopped by my Twitch and said hello, thanking me for my help. It made my day, honestly. Oh, and not to brag or anything, but we've got fan art. Can you believe it? I couldn't be happier. Thank you for watching. Bye.